Skill Distillery is a 16-week full-stack Java coding boot camp. So what makes this program unique is the fact that we do teach Java. Java has been consistently the #1 language as far as jobs go. So when you come to this program, your intent is to get a job. And so what we're doing is basically putting you in a position to get the most jobs possible after the program is over with. Java translates very easily into .NET. It's also the feeder language for Android. So we need to make sure that each student gets their own time. We try and understand how you learn, what we can do to help you specifically. That's why we have classes that cap at 20 people per class.
When I first heard of Skill Distillery, I was a server. I was going to school part-time for pre-med. I was an Air Force veteran. I had the GI Bill. I didn't know exactly what my path would be, but I've always had a passion for coding, or at least the idea of it, and I thought I'd give Skill Distillery a try.
When I found Skill Distillery, I was a software project manager. I was managing 2 software teams, and I was at that point in my career when I decided to move on to software development as a role.
I'd actually been doing the marketing for Skill Distillery. That's actually how I found out about it. When I was actually in college, I'd always wanted to do computer science. I saw what the future was going to be, and when I saw the opportunity, I just had to give it a go. As soon as I started it, I knew it was going to be a really great experience.
At Skill Distillery, I didn't just learn how to code. I took the skill set that I needed to start off my career as a software developer. The curriculum is designed to get me everything I need, from the back-end database skill set all the way to the front end with AngularJS. And that package is really what empowers graduates like me to find a job as a software developer today.
I got to work with a lot of like-minded people, small classroom setting where we really got to collaborate on projects and work as teams with teachers that were really there to support us.
Providing genuine value is what I found the most important core value for me at Skill Distillery. At Skill Distillery, I didn't just learn how to code. What I learned was a skill set that empowered me to go out there and start my career as a software developer.
What I took 2 years to learn in college, I learned in like the first month here. It was so ridiculous how quickly you were already into the core functions of while loops, for loops, if statements. And I mean, by the end of the first week, I think I'd finished a semester of college, and by the end of the first month, I was past anything I knew into this new territory from anything I'd even touched on when I was going to this as a major.
My first job after graduating was a full-stack web developer. I got the job because I got the skills necessary to deliver value at that job. And now I'm working on a startup idea with a couple of friends of mine, where my skill set as a full-stack web developer is very important. Now I'm able to deliver functionality from the back end all the way to the front end.
Currently I'm a Java developer, and I use that term loosely because we do a little bit of everything at the company that I work for. Basically, we touch the servers, the database, we do Java, and we work on the front end as well. I feel that Skill Distillery really set us up for success with that, in not just teaching us what we need to know, but set a solid foundation on how to problem solve properly for us.
I am a tools engineer for Charter. So Charter is Spectrum, aka Time Warner. So what I do there is I build a bunch of tools for my team to use to track basically the whole head-end structure, as well as basically the health and monitoring of set-top boxes at their research and development lab in Dove Valley, Colorado.
Skill Distillery does not just focus on the education at hand. What we do is we take a look at the marketplace and what are the skills that are needed for those jobs, and we work backwards to make sure that those skills are in our curriculum, guaranteeing you the best success when you graduate. Another thing that we focus on at Skill Distillery is what are the available jobs in the marketplace and how many graduates are graduating from boot camps with the skills for those jobs. Most boot camps are focusing on front-end technologies, Ruby on Rails, where there is just wide open spaces in the Java area. And so that's why, based on our experience, we have chosen to focus on Java to give our graduates the best opportunity, best chances for success in the marketplace.
I was a software project manager without the skill set of the full-stack web developer. And now I am joining a startup to deliver value to so many customers.
I was a server and going to school part-time, not really set on what I wanted to do. And now I am happy and passionate about what I'm doing on a daily basis and what I'm helping to create.
I was doing digital marketing, trying to juggle 16 different clients. Now I get to focus on one thing. I get to do it and to do a really great job of it.
Our focus is to ensure you get the best education with the right skills to ensure you have the widest range of job opportunities available.